Okay guys, so adhan is done, so let's get started again. Okay guys, sentence number 24. I will keep practicing until English becomes natural for me. Okay, no way, I have to wait and I have to practice until that time. This bridge is being built step by step and I am also improving step by step. Okay, nice sentence. Okay, the bridge is construction or the bridge is made step by step and I will develop my speaking English step by step. So the sentence is really amazing. Okay, the bridge is being built step by step. The bridge is being step by step. The bridge is being built step by step and I am also improving English step by step. Just like this bridge, my English skill will become stronger with time. I believe that consistent effort can change our lives. Okay, I believe that consistent effort change our lives. Okay, I believe that. So there is no way we have to believe it. So sentence number 28. So never stop learning, never stop practicing and never give up. If you practice every day, you can achieve your English speaking goals. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next English practice video. So 30 number sentence done. So guys, last of all we have to end the video. So last of all I would like to say, every single day we have to practice, every single day we have to speak English regarding our surrounding area. So guys, there is no way we can as we are human being, we can make mistakes. So every mistake is a new opportunity to learn something new. So guys, no more today, see you some other time. Stay safe, stay well, stay safe and learn English step by step. No more today, see you some other time. Till then, assalamu alaikum.